Welcome to San Angelo ISD Tech Badge tutorial. This video session is an introduction to Google Chrome, apps, and extensions. You can find the Google Chrome icon in a couple of places. It could be pinned to your taskbar at the bottom. You might find it on your desktop, or it could be in your Start menu. To sign into your Google account, your username is your SAISD email. Your username for the very first time that you log in, your username is your ID number and your last name. It will then prompt you to change your password. Now, if you've already logged into your Google account before and you can't remember your password, please email the help desk and they'll help you reset your password. Let me get logged in. You'll see the Link Your Chrome Data to this account. You want to make sure that you click the Link Data button. You'll get confirmation that you're signed in, and you'll just click OK. Got it. We're going to begin at the top on our navigation toolbar. Notice you have a back and a forward button. As you're searching through your website, you can go backwards and forwards. You also have a reload page, a home button, and then you have your Omnibox. The Omnibox is where you can do keyword searches or you can type in URLs, such as, and then we can go to our school website. The star is a bookmark star. If it is already colored in, it means this page has been bookmarked and it has been added to my bookmark page. Let me go into tca.com and you'll see that it has not been bookmarked. To bookmark a page, you just click on the star. You tell it where you would like it to be bookmarked, and I'm going to bookmark it on my bar. Click Done, and it adds it. Now I have quite a few bookmarks. You'll notice that I've got bookmarks with just the icons or the icon with the word. To make more room, you can edit your bookmarks. I'm going to right click on the bookmark and choose Edit. I'm going to delete out the title. Notice it's still linked. I'm going to click Save and it leaves me the icon. So I can go to different pages using the icons, or you can keep the icon with the words. Just a way to work with your toolbar, your bookmark toolbar. On the other side of my bookmark star, I have extensions that I have added into Chrome. I'm going to be showing you later how you can find extensions in the Chrome Web Store. At the end of this screen, you've got 3 lines. This 3 lines allows you to customize and control your Google Chrome. It's a more menu, more options. And when I click on that, I have a drop-down menu. Notice I can do new tabs, new window. I can look at my history, look at things I've downloaded. I can zoom in and out. I've also got my bookmarks here where I can bookmark pages. I can manage my bookmarks. I can also import bookmarks. If you're on a computer that you use daily and you've been using Internet Explorer and you have all those bookmarks, you can come here to import those bookmarks from Firefox or Internet Explorer into your Chrome. I can zoom, I can print. I have more tools that as you add extensions, you can work with your extensions. But most important, I have my settings. So I'm going to click on Settings. Notice in the settings screen, I've got my histories and extensions that I can also work with. I want to draw your attention to the sign in with the Disconnect Your Google account. This button is very important if you're working on a computer that you do not use daily. For instance, if you're in a computer lab with your class, you will want to click at the end of the session, Disconnect Your Google account. What it does is anything we've looked at, anything you've worked on, it just deletes and gets rid of all of that off the computer. It does not delete it from your account, just off of the computer that you're working with. It's also an important one for your students. If your students are working on laptops and activating their Google accounts in Chrome, they'll at the end of the session want to go in and disconnect also. In the settings, you can see that you can work with appearances, add themes. You can add more users, more accounts. And then we also have advanced settings. Under the advanced settings, I would like to draw your attention to the downloads. When you're downloading something from the website, notice mine's going to go automatically to my SAISD iDrive. I can change that here if I'd like to. I have checked, just ask me where I want to save the file before downloading, and then I can choose which folder or area that I'd like to save it in. Now what I would like to do, I'm going to close this tab down. And I want to show you how to add extensions and apps to Chrome. So we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. And in the search box, I'm going to search for Google Dictionary. Notice I have apps, and then underneath the list of apps I have extensions, and here's my extensions, Google Dictionary. And I have a blue button that says Add to Chrome. I'm going to click on that, Add to Chrome. I'm going to ask it to add the extension, and up here in my toolbar you'll notice it adds the icon for Google Dictionary. Now let me show you how that works in Chrome. My class is studying monkeys, so we're going to go to the San Diego Zoo because they are researching monkeys. And as they're reading through this article, they notice adaptations, and they're just not really sure what that word means, so they're going to highlight it. And when they click on Google Dictionary, it doesn't take them to another site, just in a little pop-up box, it gives them a definition. The other thing they can do is, there's the word habitat. If they click on the Google Dictionary, they can also type that word in, define, and the pop-up box will define the word. Another extension that will be helpful is Google Apps Training. If you scroll down, it's right here, Training for Google Apps. Notice my button is already green because I've already added that extension. And I want to take just a moment to show you how this extension works. I'm going to go into my Google Drive. And right here is the extension for the Google Apps Training. When I click on this, it's going to list these interactive videos on, as you can see, Introductory to Drive, Working with Files and Folders, How to Share. It's all of these videos that show you step by step how to work in your Google Drive. If I click on New, I'm going to open up a new Google Sheet. And when I open up that new Google Sheet, notice there's my extension for the training, and note I've got 29 training videos that will help me learn how to use spreadsheets. And I'll just show you what one of these videos looks real quick. And so it just takes you step by step on how to do stuff. So I think that's going to be a beneficial extension. I want to thank you. I hope you enjoy your new Chrome. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please contact us.